Okay, hey guys, we are actually just getting the fireworks ready now. So, let's watch this. Let's get a good spot. We're actually near badminton.
Everybody, fireworks!
Okay, happy Canada Day. I'll try to stream as much as I can, okay? Remember, this is making a live stream. Hope you enjoy this. Sam and Madeline talking a bunch over there. Here's Sam. You excited? What do you guys do?
I have a YouTube channel, so subscribe. Can you subscribe to my channel too?
Okay, subscribe to hers. Can you not say no to that?
Wait, can I do my cute face? If they see my face, they're gonna probably barf.
Oh, Sam, don't roast yourself. That's not it.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, here we go.
Put it away.
No, I'm gonna.
Guys,
Nana's gonna go up.
is this the Kraken?
No, this is the Kraken's the last one.
Oh.
Why did you put it on the ground? These are the rainbow I told you.
Nana's getting smoked now.
These are going off.
Why do we have to be behind this?
Safety, baby.
We can't be
You can be at the front. Yeah, just in front of it. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Because you're at the wrong height.
Well, look, come here.
I just don't want you too close. Go in front of it, Oliver. Don't, yeah. You sit down.
I hope you guys are enjoying this. Okay. Facing the ground. That echoed.
Guys, can you go?
That was
can you-
called the Kraken.
That was
The
called.
Kraken's the last one.
I thought that one was the Kraken.
That wasn't the Kraken, that was the rainbow.
No, that was the Kraken.
No, that was the rainbow. The Kraken's last. That was the rainbow.
I thought that was the Kraken.
Oh, no, they put the rainbow in front of the Kraken.
Whoa, that was a good
Okay, that scared me.
Oh, listen to that.
Yeah. Oh, Jacob, go ahead.
Oh, Jacob, you want to go in?
No, let him
Jacob, come here, boy.
Jacob, come. Come here. There, guys.
Happy Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day.
This is Canada Day celebration.
No, this is a makeup for the live stream. I screwed up the live stream. All my subscribers know that.
And it's Canada. Jacob's getting scared. Daddy, stop for a minute.
Okay.
Jacob's getting scared, so mommy's just bringing him in.
My dog's getting scared. So
He's getting
a lot of
scared
you
from the
probably
Big
know
Bang.
Jacob. He's getting scared.
Uh-huh. He was hiding behind Grandpa.
The whole world just heard you say that, Madeline.
Don't care.
It's all good.
She doesn't care. She don't care.
Okay, you can keep on going now.
Thanks.
Continue.
I don't blame Jacob.
Well, that was lemon.
We're not going to blow up. These are like missile launches.
Whoa. Oh, that was good.
Daddy, can
Oh, I like that.
Oh, that was good.
Daddy, can lift me up?
I'm trying to get as much as I can, but
Yeah.
trying to get as much as I can, but you really gotta be here in person.
There we go.
Okay, there.
That's it.
Oh, Canada.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry I couldn't get they're singing now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I tried to get as much as I can, but I forgot it. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That's a maker from the live stream. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. You know what? Let's see if we can get 10. No, let's see if we can get 30 likes. 30 likes on this, and I will see you next
And
time.
30 subscribers.
There's Sam. Did you like the fireworks?
Yeah, I like them.
Okay. And I'll see you on the next one.